So one thing on the sports track that you always run into is an oil leak, and this one is on the driver's side, and it's leaking right there on the exhaust manifold. So you can see it starting to smoke as we speak. So everything has to come off, and like I said, it's the driver's side. So this bracket comes off, take this off, your coil, everything on this side makes it easy. All your lines, everything comes off this side. So I won't film it because basically that's everything you got to do to take this side off, and I may end up doing both sides, but that side, as you can see, is a lot easier, less to remove. This side has all your electrical components, your coil, which you have to take off, and you can see it's dripping pretty good. So if you can see it's smoking. And while we're in there, we're gonna go ahead and change out. So I can get the box open. The upgraded that's your housing for your thermostat. We're going to go ahead and change that to the metal one, and it's located right in here, so it's under your intake. And to get to it, yeah, it's pretty much the same thing, so you may end up just taking off the intake, just changing everything at one time, but you can see how bad it's dripping, and basically just crunk it up. And the gasket set you're going to use is your Felpro DS50529R. So that has to be done because right now it's just a small machine. Check back with you later. So you can see how bad it is, and it's leaking so bad you can't even see where it is, but just thought I'd give you a shot of it. So gotta get that changed.